Once upon a time in a cozy little village, there lived a curious cat named Whiskers. Whiskers had soft gray fur and a tail that flicked like a dancing ribbon. He loved exploring every nook and cranny in the village, always on the lookout for new friends and adventures. One sunny morning, Whiskers decided to explore beyond the village. With a lively leap, he bounded over the rocky fence and into the lush, green meadow. His bright green eyes sparkled with excitement. Flowers of every color swayed gently in the breeze, and butterflies danced joyfully in the air. As Whiskers padded through the meadow, he spotted a glimmering pond up ahead. Intrigued, he pranced over. He found a family of small, fuzzy ducklings struggling to keep up with their mother. The mud was sticky and slippery, and the littlest duckling was stuck. Whiskers, being the kind-hearted kitty he was, felt a pang of worry for the little one. He cautiously approached, wanting to help. The mother duck quacked softly, sensing Whiskers' friendly nature. Using his quick reflexes, Whiskers gently hooked one paw into the mud, freeing the stuck duckling. The ducklings quacked happily, grateful for Whiskers' help. The littlest duckling flapped its tiny wings in joy, waddling back to its family. Whiskers felt a warm glow inside, proud of his good deed. Just then, Whiskers heard a rustling in the nearby bushes. With ears perked up and tail twitching, he went to investigate. There, he found another cat, a tabby named Mittens, who also enjoyed adventures. After a friendly meow, the two cats became fast friends. Whiskers and Mittens spent the rest of the day exploring together. They frolicked in fields, climbed apple trees, and shared stories of their adventures. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of pink and orange, Whiskers knew he had made a friend for life. Satisfied with his adventure, Whiskers returned to his village, dreaming of more exciting days to come. From then on, he and Mittens explored new frontiers together, spreading joy and kindness wherever they went.